In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your site name in Google Sites. This simple process will take us just about 5 minutes, but will make a significant difference when you want to present a cohesive identity or make updates to your project's branding. Let's get started, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure your site has the perfect name. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Google Sites and open the specific site that you want to update. Once you have your site open, direct your attention to the top left of the screen. There you'll find your current site name prominently displayed. This is not only the title of your site, but also essentially your site's identifier, how people will see it when they visit or search for it. So ensuring that it's accurate and reflective of your site's content is crucial. To begin the process of changing this name, simply click on the current site name. This will allow you to edit it directly. You should see that the text is highlighted, indicating that you can now type in a new title. Think carefully about the new name, as this will be the first impression visitors get of your site. Whether you're rebranding or refining your site's focus, be sure to choose a name that's both clear and concise. Now go ahead and type the new site name that you prefer. As you type, you'll see the new name immediately replace the old one, which provides a real-time preview of the update. This is a great opportunity to play around with different titles if you're undecided. You can keep retyping until you find the perfect fit. Remember, choosing a site name that's easy to remember and accurately describes the content or purpose of your site is key. It helps with your site's visibility and searchability online. If your site is for a business, using a name that incorporates your business name or main service can be very beneficial. Once you've settled on the ideal name, there might be an underlying sense of satisfaction, but don't forget to save your changes. Make sure that any updates you make are saved properly to avoid having to redo your work. Generally, Google Sites saves changes automatically, but it's always good practice to double check. Look for a confirmation or check that there's no warning about unsaved changes before you navigate away, ensuring all your efforts remain intact. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully updated your site name on Google Sites. This small yet significant change can help align your online presence with your goals, whether personal or professional. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your online projects.